The wig is bomb. So good. I actually love this unit. It's super cute and it's a definite everyday slay kind of wig, you guys. Hey royals, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed this 14-inch teapot unit that I received from Julia Hair. It came in this cute little box right here. This is their 14-inch Brazilian body wave teapot unit. It has a 5-inch deep parting space. This teapot unit has lace from ear to ear, but it only can be part in the middle. So I'm going to be showing you how I finesse this unit. If you are interested in that kind of content, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the company that I'm going to be working with today is Julia Hair from Amazon. This is their 14-inch Brazilian teapot unit. Inside of the box, along with the wig, I receive a pair of stocking cap and this cute scarf. So a bit about this wig. This is a 150% density teapot unit. A bit about the cap construction. It has 2 combs on each side and 1 to the back. It also came with adjustable straps as well, so you can adjust this wig to your particular liking. And one thing about this wig that I like is that the parting space is really deep. So to prep this teapot unit, I'm going to be bleaching the knot on this wig using my Clairol BW2 bleaching powder and my 30 volume developer. And I'm going to just mix both of the products together into a toothpaste consistency. So I'm just working on that right now, and then I'm going ahead to bleach the knot on this wig. I applied the mixture to my teapot wig and I left it on for a bit. I think it was like about 20 to 15 minutes or even less, and the knots took the bleach pretty well, as you guys could see. If you want to tone down the brassiness of your wig, you can use your purple shimmer light shampoo, as I did. So I'm going ahead to pluck this wig. So because this is a teapot unit, you have to be quite strategic about plucking the lace on this unit. So I would recommend that you pluck lightly, and again, be strategic. Don't pluck out too much hair. So I'm just focusing mostly on the top, because at the each sides of the lace, they don't really have much hair to cover the tracks, so I would recommend you plucking mostly to the top area. So I'm going to tint my stocking cap using my Black Radiance contour palette in medium to dark, and after I finish tinting the stocking cap with my concealer, I'm going to also be tinting my wig using the same shade, which is in dark, just to tint the lace a bit to fit to my perfect shade. So after that, I'm going to cut off the extra lace to the back before I apply the wig onto my head. And secondly, I'm going to adjust the adjustable strap. So this is how the hair is looking like scalp. Yeah, what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean off the extra makeup using rubbing alcohol. So I'm going to be doing it a bit different today, you guys. I'm going to be actually cutting off the lace. So after I finish cutting off the lace, I'm just using my powder just to mark out the areas in which I'm going to be laying the glue. I'm going to be using my Esha glue. And because I'm not going to be keeping it on for long, I'm just going in with another layer of the glue. So now I'm going to be working on laying my baby hairs. So today the glue that I'm going to be using is my holy grail, my Gorilla Snot Gel in Punk. So I'm going to be taking a little bit of this glue to lay my edges. So after I'm satisfied on how my edges are laid, I'm just going over that with my hot comb before I tie down my hair a bit to make sure that my baby hairs are set in place. So after I finish tying down my hair, I'm just going to work on pre-curling my wig because I did prep the hair before, but somehow the curls fell out. So I'm just taking my oil sheen spray and then I'm going over that with my flat iron just to give the wig a little bit of bump. So I'm just working on curling my hair. So after I finish curling the wig over, I'm going to be using my Got To Be Blast Free Spray just to set everything in place. So I'm going to be perfecting my parting space using my Black Radiance Contour Palette in medium to dark just to perfect the parting space of this wig. And as you guys could see, this wig is bomb. Like, the curls are really flirty and cute. So you guys, this is the end result of my install. It was super quick and easy. So you guys, this is the end result of my T-part install. You guys, it was super quick and easy, and this wig is really soft. This is a 150% density unit. So far so good, you guys. So this unit is from Amazon, and this wig has Amazon Prime shipping. This wig retails for $96.70 on Amazon, so it's below $100, which is good. And if you're a beginner when it comes to wigs, these are convenient wigs to have, because I went ahead to pluck this unit before, as you would see in my previous clips, and showed you how I finessed this unit. The wig is bomb. Okay, are so good. I actually love this unit. It's super cute, and it's a definite everyday slay kind of wig, you guys. It's super cute. This wig is bomb. I can't complain. So thank you so much for watching this install, and until next time, see you in my next video. And always remember to put God first in everything that you do.